dude, I got one. Oh, dude, it's pulling. It's pulling. No. No, no. My rattle trap is in a tree. All right, sunglasses on. Sunglasses on.
Ooh.
Oh! Bowfin! Bowfin!
Oh my gosh.
All right, we're good. Just duck down. Duck down. We did it! Let's go! Woo! Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we just passed the greatest obstacle of the day. I wasn't sure if we were gonna fit under there. We're in Ethan's John boat today, and conditions are absolutely perfect. We got we're fishing before a storm, basically. And as you can see by some of this wind that's blowing to your mic, I'm pretty confident fishing these pre-storm conditions. Post-storm, not so much, but we are doing a little bit of exploring today. This boat has never been in this certain area of this lake. The main place of today is basically gonna be hitting creeks and points and maybe some wood if we can find some. One last thing, the most important thing of today. Ethan, happy 18th birthday. He is now legally an adult, and every single time we fish on his birthday, we always have some good luck. I'm not gonna jinx anything, but you guys just wait, okay? So enjoy. 2 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet. Oh, it's calibrating. It just went to 5 feet. Oh, dude, look, we just spooked something big. Probably grass carp. There's plenty of them here. So we do have a lot of sticks in the water. Gonna be throwing a white lipless. Just work the water real quick. All right, look, I got some grass. Let's stay on the right side of this little brush pile.
Right side.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That's definitely a creature of some sort. Shoot. No way.
Still making good decisions at 21? No.
Dude, my line just snapped. Not great. This is not ideal. Oh man. I just lost about 50 yards of line. This is not great. We're gonna cut this off and then figure out later. So this rod and reel out of commission for now until I decide to retie. All right, I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm just gonna pick up my other rod and reel. Throwing a black and blue crawl. There we go. Great. Sorry about that. Person who owns the dog. Who loves a good backlash? Not much of a skip, but it's under there. Oh, there we go. That was beautiful. I know. With how dirty this water is, I'm gonna go with as much noise as I can. Earlier, I was throwing a crawl on a Texas rig. While that is good for flipping cover and everything, we're not really doing that today. We're mostly just covering water in the shallows. So that's where I think throwing this will come in handy. Too bad my other rod is out of commission, so I know. We just gotta work with this. Gotta work with what we got. Going with the retrieve and stop motion. This way, it'll give the fish time to play catch up, and then as soon as I stop it, they'll just have no other choice but to eat it. Oh, dude, I got one. Right as I landed, it hit. Dude, what? Oh, dude, it's pulling. It's pulling. Might be a carp, honestly. No, came off. Dude.
You'll never know how big it is.
We'll never know, but that was big, dude. Holy moly.
Just like last time. Please put sarcasm in the video.
Yeah, it's okay.
Whatever.
It's a good start.
If that's the pattern, I'll check on that chisel one. And then I'll catch a catfish.
No. 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 My round trap is in a tree. All right, sunglasses on. Sunglasses on. Oh, yes, let's go. Woo, baby. Woo, little red lipless. Do some work for me, won't ya? This is the best weather. Hey, I'm fish. Wait. I have a fish. No, I don't. Did you miss your fish too?
Yeah.
Dude, shad jumping. I saw a 1-inch shad. No, it's right in front of us actually.
Just dive.
That's not a fish. All right, let's see what it is.
Ooh.
Oh! Bowfin! Bowfin! Dude!
That was like 3 or 4 pounds.
That was a big bowfin!
Oh my gosh. I mean, he took it just for a second, so I can't do anything else.
All right, well, that was awesome. I know what to throw now. Babaless, okay.
This is Baba.
Oh, dude.
You freaking rip it out of their mouth. What are you
All right, you
doing?
casting there, mister. I missed all my fish too. Put us on the spot, man. Might be a bunch of white perch, honestly. I think it's a mixture of fish and rain. Dude. Yeah, we got one.
Mine's not that.
Nope, never mind. What? What? I did catch a fish. Yo. Check that out, guys. What? Oh, man. I think this might have been what's been biting us all day.
Probably was.
All right, get out of here, Stinky. Doing some last minute fishing before we head back into the marina. But guys, check out what's down there. Got a family of deer. The things you see when you go fishing, it's so amazing. Hey guys, so on that note, we had quite the day, not gonna lie. Just a quick recap. I caught that last perch in, it was like this big, size of my pinky. But I think we had a pretty exciting day. We saw a big bowfin. I hooked into something that I don't really know what it is, but it definitely got the best of me, and I lost it at the boat. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to leave a like if you want to see more videos like this, more boat videos. If you are not subscribed already, that would be the one best thing you can do to help out my channel. Just go ahead and make that subscribe button turn gray. And yeah, so we'll see you in the next video. And as always, folks, fish for the adventure.